What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. So we are here in the garage with Civic. She is still broken down. The fuel pump should be here on Thursday. Hopefully we have some driving content before the weekend. Very excited about that. As you can see, the Odyssey is back up on jack stands. Nothing critical this time, thank goodness, just an oil change. I'm also gonna replace a couple bolts, try and fix that exhaust leak, but I don't know how far I'm gonna get with that because it sounds pretty bad. Oil changes on these are very simple. Undo the plug, drain the oil into a pan, undo the oil filter, that'll drain a little bit more oil. You fill the oil filter a little bit, rub a little dew up on the outside of that, screw it back in, put the bolt back in for the oil pan, fill it up with oil, call it good. Alrighty, so just checking in here. Had to go to the hardware store, pick up some new bolts, some washers. I'm just gonna use regular bolts. I know I need to use banjo bolts. I guess they're called banjo bolts, whatever they are, the springy fucking bolts. This is gonna be my $6 temporary fix. But the sun is going down and I need to get this done. So yeah. Let's get this all finished up, get some oil in here and get this thing moved out. All right, got the tools cleaned up for the most part. Oil's in, coolant is topped up, exhaust bolts are on. Wow, no more exhaust leak. Thank you guys for watching while I fix the exhaust on the Odyssey. Did a little bit of an oil change, just you know, keeping the wife safe on the road. So Civic should be fixed here this week. And if the fuel pump doesn't fix this, then I will just rip the head off and we'll address the head gasket at that point. Hell yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, Cub Scouts.